Email marketing ideas that produce results you love. Many people who have internet businesses would like to improve sales and profitability. If this sounds like you, then you may benefit from a marketing strategy known as email marketing. Read the following video to learn how to make email marketing work for you. Target your chosen audience. After you have a couple of people watching your emails, consider finding ways to get them to ask their friends to sign up. When you are sending out emails, always ensure that there is a subscribe link contained within it. This way, if a consumer shares the email with a friend, they will be easily able to sign up. This will cause your base to grow organically. Try engaging the customer using the subject line of the email. Your email must grab your reader's attention the minute it lands inside of their inbox, otherwise it may go into their trash. If you have a weak or an interesting subject line, that is exactly what will happen. So try spicing up your subject line with some creativity. Avoid sending more than one marketing email per week. Most likely, your customers receive a bunch of messages a day. If you send too many messages, you will just become part of the clutter. They may begin skipping them, or worse, deleting them without ever watching. The more you allow your customers to customize their experiences, the better your campaign will be. Customers should be able to select the frequency with which they receive messages and what personal information they want to disclose to the business. Providing these options to subscribers helps them feel safe and secure. Using email marketing in your marketing campaign really gives a big bang for your buck, since it really does not cost much to create and send an email. What are you waiting for? Use this technique in your business. Use the tips offered here and you can see your business grow. Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.